Hey everyone, so I've picked a card for you all out there today, and I ask what you need to focus on to bring millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars into your life. And the Five of Wands came through. And the message here is this: you're spending too much time, right, fighting in the mind. And it's like you want to be the person that does create so much money, like millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. But it's like parts of you are fighting against you, right? Now, they could be parts that, they're just trying to keep you safe. Like, they're not against you. They're like, their intentions in their heart are to keep you safe, but it's actually keeping you away from the prize. And I see this little rooster here, and I see there's the millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars right in front of your face. But because you're too busy fighting against yourself and fighting in the mind, you're going around in circles, like literally, right? And it's there right in front of your view, but you can't see it because you're too busy in the mind fighting against yourself. Okay, does that make sense? Let me know in the comments if that does. So, and some of this is subconscious too. So you might know that that's what you're doing until you sit down and explore, why you are afraid of making millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. And if you write that all out, you'll see what's blocking that from coming in. Alrighty, if you've liked the reading, make sure you like it so I can bring you more of this. Subscribe, hit the bell notification because then you're notified of when I do the readings and videos. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.